Hi there. Getting a cancer diagnosis can be really scary and shocking and can change our lives in lots of different ways. And for me, when I got my diagnosis and when I've been in treatment, one thing that's really helped me has been mindfulness, my mindfulness practice. It's really helped me to ground and find more ease, even during the most difficult days of treatment. And so I'm offering a 4-week session coming up, a mindfulness session that will be in person and also online. So you can join it either way. And you can join us for one session or all the sessions. And in each session, we will be doing a guided deep relaxation to settle our nervous system, settle into our bodies a little more. And we'll learn some mindfulness practices, and you'll have a chance to connect with other people who are there for the same reason. So I invite you, if you've ever been on a cancer journey or on one right now, to please consider signing up for this. And you can find more information in the caption of this video, and you can register that way. And as always, reach out to me if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you.